Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn geolocation and geocoding using API. How pretty it is easy. We'll see how about it is. First of all, I would like to show you the demo how that geolocation. Let's click here that ready-made URL. It is here. Yeah. Once you want to know about your location, just hello. And this is the demonstration purpose. We have a collected API key for the development purpose only. Now the location is found and it is showing here. It is around the country where it's very near to my city. All right. And this is the location, current location it is going to be taken. Now we will see how the program it is. See here the geolocation it is and a very super easy. We need to do like a initiating of the map and latitude longitude how we have done of our previous lecture. Now it is a very simple tool like a position and coordinates of latitude and longitude we have to specify with this, and the center of the point it is locating of the map controlling, and this is the code. See, this is the API I am calling for the same API for this also. For this geolocation, if you want to enable, where you have done with the registration of Google developers, like getting an app with the like a like what we have done with the registration with the Google Maps platform. There you have to enable the services of geocoding and geolocation. Then you will able to get very simple and all the facilities of geocoding it will be getting. Now let's see here. I'll be looking for something like going to be connecting with the where you want to explore the things. Like a console here. You go with the Google Map, you will get all the products and what you will get free and what you will be charged. Here, most of the things you will be charged. Why? Because actually there is a more accurate data. You will get it. All you need to know to register before the registration, you will know about the services which is Google is offering to you, unless until it will be generate a bill and it will be reach you the bill once it is completed the bill cycle, right? That it is loading something. The overview it is showing, and now see here geolocation API. Once if I logged in as in a Google Cloud platform, see this is the Google Maps section. I am here and a geolocation API, and the APIs which one you want to register yourself. Many of the services, Maps SDK for Android, Places API, Roads API, Maps JavaScript API, Maps Embed API, Distance Matrix, Time Zone, SDK, Maps Evaluation, like how many are geocoding API. These are the APIs. Once you register any of the API and are getting the credentials and having the API key, comes to our home page of this HTML form, and this is the code also you will get from that Google with the helpful of complete source. All right, and this the like very simply by having this code, you just put it as a script of this JPI key. That's it. All everything will be done and it will be located you with the geolocation like this. It will be displayed automatically. All right. Once you transmit the data, what is the location you want to wish entire the country, or it won't be not limited to country, entire the geography. You will get the points where you want to like a geolocation perfectly. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.